What's up, guys? It's Petru from my self-publishing Blueprint Group, and I want to talk a little bit about my experience. So, first time I heard about this business was roughly about 3 years ago. So I heard about this business, I bought a course, published a few ebooks, didn't see any results, at least any worthwhile results. I had a sale once in a while, but nothing huge, nothing huge. I start my research again, found about Emeka, followed him, found about the fact that he had a course, bought the course, and went through the course, you know, uh, learned how to do things properly, because I think be- before buying the course, I didn't even have the right mindset. I mean, from my point of view, yeah, you get the right info with this course, but you actually get the mindset that you need to have in order to run a business. Because before buying the course, I thought about me and making money. I didn't even thought about my customers, what problems they have, how they talk about those problems. How can I solve those problems? How can I bring value? How can I help? How can I give? I think before buying the course, it was a problem with me. I looked at this business, from a bad perspective. It's not bad to be selfish, but I thought only about me. That's why I had only crappy books. I mean, last month I had one book that was making me like 3K, right? So before the course, I had a bunch of books that didn't make a dime, didn't make me any money. So from my experience, what I can say is that investing in this course and trusting Emeka, uh, took me to the next level, and I couldn't do it without him. I mean, yes, you can go on YouTube and find some info here and some info there and trying to make things up, but what you are doing is trying to reinvent the wheel and will take you for years. I mean, it will take you years. Let people help you. Surround with people that are at the level that you want to be. Because if you surround yourself with those people without even knowing, they will drag you and take you with them. You know, that's what I will do if I had to start all over again. You know, I'm glad I invested in myself first. You know, I'm glad I trusted the right people, and I'm glad I didn't do this by myself. So I recommend you do the same thing. Don't think about anything anymore. Don't think about the price. Don't think about the sacrifice. Your dreams are worth it. Buy the course, take massive action, and I'm telling you, man, you can change your life. You can quit your job. Quitting your job is a real freaking thing. So don't stop. Be relentless. Buy the course. Take massive action, and hopefully you'll get the results that you want. Have a great day.